What is the engine compression spec for a Husqvarna 223 liters weed whacker? I found that the flywheel key sheared. Are there any manual instructions that I can get for replacing the flywheel? I work best from printed instructions. The flywheel magnets are not in position with the ignition coil fingers when the piston is at TDC.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. The 2-cycle engine compression needs to be around 140 pounds per square inch.
Please see the added info I sent on flywheel.
If the timing key is correct, the magnet position does not need to be TDC.
Is the timing key the same as the shear key?
Yes.
Do you have access to a manual for instructions to remove flywheel? I attached a picture. Only one magnet is over one coil finger.
Cinch nut on the flywheel to keep it in place. Loosen the nut, remove the washer and put the nut back on up to the threads, the PT pry under the flywheel and give the nut a tap.
If the shear pin was okay, the 2 magnets on the flywheel do not have to line up with the 2 ignition coil fingers when at top dead center.
Correct. I see the question is still open.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.